Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
Hello kids, let's color the fish. Dive into fun and color this friendly fish.
You're amazing. I'm so proud of you. Great job. You're doing your best, and that's super. I believe in you. Your creativity is awesome. Keep trying, you're almost there.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.